Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get 4K quality like Topaz and mobile. First, open Koloro app. Import your video and follow my steps. Export the video. Now for the high-quality enhancement, open Wink app. Click to the HDAI restoration. Import your video. And copy my settings. Then, open Prequel app for the color correction. In the Prequel app, many options are paid. I'm only using free option. If you apply the paid effects and filter by mistake, then your video will not be exported, so only use free effects. Import your video and copy my settings. Color correction process is done. Export the video. At the last, again open the Wink app. Add the Prequel exported video and follow my steps. Okay, your high-quality video is ready.